Hi friends, this is Strifor and today we are going to tell you about the Apple company. It is not just a technology company, it is a phenomenon, a symbol of innovation and quality. The Apple story began in 1976 in the garage of Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak and Ron Wayne. Since then, the company has gone from the creation of the first personal computer Apple I to the status of one of the largest and most influential corporations in the world. In today's review, let's take a look at this amazing path of development, and at the end of the video we will analyze the movement of Apple shares on the stock market. Let's take a brief look at the current state of Apple stock. At the beginning of 2024, the company's capitalization is an impressive $289 trillion. Apple ranks second in stock market value, behind only Microsoft $3 trillion. Close to these two giants is the largest chip manufacturer Nvidia, the video about which has already been released on our channel. Apple stock is one of the most popular stocks in the world of trading and investing. But how did the company get to this point? Since its inception, Apple has had an incredible journey, growing from a humble startup team to a global leader in the technology industry. Their first computer, the Apple I, put up for sale by hand, only foreshadowed future technological revolutions. Founded on the principles of innovation, design, and intuitive user interface, Apple quickly established its place in the market. But the company's history isn't just limited to computers. Over the years, Apple's product line has expanded incredibly. Here is a list of Apple's major products: iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, AirPods, Apple TV, HomePod, MacBook, iMac, Mac Pro, iPod Touch. These are just some of Apple's core products. In addition, it also offers various services such as iCloud, Apple Music, Apple Arcade, Apple News, and many others. Let's separately focus on the latest novelty, which has become a real hit. The Apple Vision Pro augmented reality headset has been a bright spot in the tech world since Apple's summer 2023 presentation. Introduced as a spatial computer that combines digital content with the physical world, this innovative headset contributed to the development of the augmented and virtual reality segment. The Apple Vision Pro went on sale in February 2024 and has been incredibly popular in discussions. The mixed reality headset combines augmented and virtual reality functionality, allowing users to interact with digital content in the real world. Its capabilities include viewing photos and videos, making video calls via FaceTime, playing games, and interacting with content. Apple Vision Pro is also being used in completely unexpected applications. In the UK, the world's first surgery was performed using Apple Vision Pro. With the help of virtual reality glasses, the doctor was able to create screens around himself, displaying data on the patient's condition in real time. Many medical professionals are delighted with this innovation and consider it a real revolution in the field of medicine. Experience shows that the release of a new product increases investors' interest in the company's shares. However, after a bright rise, there is often a regression to the mean. Let's take a look at Apple's role in trading and the state of the company's stock today. Apple is one of the Magnificent Seven, among the largest companies in terms of market capitalization, and in recent years the company's stock has been growing rapidly, setting new records in value. But the company's earnings this quarter are projected to be lower than the previous quarter. Apple began to lose the Chinese market. At the end of the fourth quarter of last year, sales of the company's products in China fell by 13%, and in the first 2 months of the year sales collapsed by 24%, giving the lead to local manufacturers. In addition, Apple has to pay anti-monopoly fines. In Russia, the company paid a fine of almost 1.2 billion rubles for banning the mention of the possibility to pay for purchases through third-party applications rather than through the App Store. And in the European Union, the company was fined €1.8 billion for giving advantages to its own music streaming service over competitors. Obviously, the payment of such a record-sized fine will affect the company's financial results. Apple's stock is now declining and could fall as low as $160 per share. But the trend line is keeping Apple from falling further. And if Apple is able to compensate for falling sales in China with sales in other regions, the stock could recover to $180 per share. But if the trend line is broken, the stock could fall to as low as $137 per share. However, keep in mind that market conditions are always subject to change, so this video is not an investment recommendation. Please take this information as an alternative opinion. We recommend doing your own research to make your own decisions. The Strifor team will follow the development of the tech giant shares together with you, as well as provide a reliable platform for comfortable trading on the stock exchange. We have reviewed current events at Apple. Write in the comments, are you interested in such reviews and which companies would you like to hear more about? By the way, here is how you can trade Apple shares. First, register an account by scanning the QR code or following the link in the description. Second, install the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Third, find the Apple ticker in the MetaTrader 5 terminal and make transactions using the strategy you have chosen. Join Strifor, we always pay.